Right? Last time, oh, yes, there. Thank you. Wait, we stop. Good. Discord. All right. Last time we had to look at conversion of percentages. We had to look at conversion of percentages. How do we convert percentages or numbers to percentages, something like that? And for example, we had to say something about convert like 225 to percentage, sort of like that, or 225 percentage as a decimal or a fraction. That's what we have been doing. I still remember that we had this problem of converting a number like 225%, all right, of which we actually said this is the same as 225 over 100, right? Right? When you do this one, it is when you divide this, you are going to have 2 point what? 25. 2.25, right? 2.25, right? And then if you are looking at it as a fraction, again it's the same as 225 over 100, which is the same as 2. When you divide there, 4, so it's the same as 2 and 1/4. So it means that you have converted that given percentage to decimal, and you can convert it even further to fraction. So percentages can be converted to decimal, can be converted to fraction. That's what we looked at last time. And again, we went even, seems we actually started something to do with the discount. So where now we are continuing today with the discount. Discount, we studied. We actually defined what the discount is all about. Defined discount as a reduction. So that reduction can be a reduction in percentage, or the reduction in at least the actual price. So they can say we are reducing 20%, we are reducing 5%. That is what is called discount. So actually these discounts, you can get them from, or you can receive these discounts from several shops around. You go to these Indians or these Asians shops, sometimes they say, can give you 5% discount. We'll give you 2% discount. So the discount that you are being given is the same discount that we are learning today. So we are looking at now discount. Assuming that the price of the commodity is 250 kwacha. So that's assuming that the commodity's price is 250,000 kwacha. And they actually says, and they are saying they'll give you 5% discount. If you are, this is the actual price, and the actual price is sometimes known as the cost price. That cost price is the one that we have been learning wherever we are coming from. That the initial price is sometimes known as the cost price. So assuming that this is the cost price, so that is the cost price, and they are saying they are giving you 5% discount. So they are giving you 5% discount. In other words, you are discounted with 5%. Then they say, how much money have you paid? How much money have you paid? Initially, the actual price is 225,000. And they are saying, oh, just because you have come, we are giving you 5% discount. How much money are you going to pay? So how much money will you pay out of that? Or another question could be, what is the discounted amount? So it can either be, you can find the discounted amount, or you can find how much money you have to pay for you to get the commodity or the item. So how you do that is something like this. If this is like that, just know that this is what is called the cost price. This is the cost price. So the fact that this is the cost price, the money that you are going to give in, that's what is called is what those guys is the selling price. They'll give in the selling price. But if you look at what the book that I gave you, what they are stating is quite a little bit so different with the selling price, which is the SP. So, but the idea is the same, provided you have to understand the idea there. So, if you are given 5% discount from the 205, what you do is you do like this. So you said 5% of 225,000. I don't know whether you guys from that point are you able to see what I'm doing here. At the corner, are you able to see what I'm doing here? Is it visible? Are you able to see? Okay, right, good, right. So I think, so what is happening there is going to be 5 over 100 times 225,000. Over 1. These 2 zeros will cancel to that. So you take 5 times this number here, right? So what is the 5 times this number here? 5 times 0, 0, 25, 5, we keep 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 2, we keep 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So if you look at this, 11,000 is the money which is representing 5% of this amount. This is 11,000. And this is the money that they will say would give you a discount. In other words, this is the discounted money. So the discounted money is that one, which is there. Now, to find if that is the discounted money, then how much money or are you going to pay? So let's find the amount of money you are going to pay. So the amount of money you pay will be something like 225,000 minus what? 11,250. Do like this. Then 0, 5, 9, this one, 7, good. Here 3, 1, 2. So this is the money you are going to pay out of that. In other words, this is the selling price. But if you look at what we are doing here, it's quite different. But I think the issue is the same. Let's go back to you open your gadgets and then let's look at that issue of discount. I'll be explaining as we go along discount. Let's look at that word discount. So we are looking at discount. I hope someone has sent the book in case others are not, maybe they did not receive. Maybe let's start from this issue of discount. Yes, discount. All right. If you are to define discount, discount is defined as the reduction in the price of an item or in a bill. That's discount, and it is a business tactic or term that is used to attract customers if you want to be attracted or to increase sales. So if you want to increase sales, because what we are doing here is business mathematics, the issue here is not to calculate, but the issue is you have to apply the knowledge of business maths in your business. That is the major aim. It's not calculations and you get whatever because you have failed to calculate. No, the aim behind this is we are building tactics, strategies or tactics, how you can win customers. How you can win customers. Because we are living in this world where there is a lot of competition. A lot of businesses are everywhere. So the competition is very high. So to work out on those issues, that's why we are inculcating your minds with this knowledge. We are adding this mind that you have to develop the concept of talking about discounting so that you are self-reliant or self-dependent. You are depending on yourself when you are doing business. Not all of us will be employed here. Some of you will depend on your own businesses or you will depend on your parents' businesses. That's why we are talking much about business mathematics and this topic of discount. Right. Now, the issue of discount, we are going to talk much about this discount in two terms. Firstly, we'll talk it in what is called an absolute term. And the second one, we are going to talk it in what is called a relative term. So we'll look at absolute term. We'll look at absolute term. And we are going to look at a relative what? Relative term. Let's look at these two terms. When we look at an absolute term, discount, sometimes this is known as the amount of discount, which is defined as the reduction from the selling price, which is sometimes known as AD. All right. So the amount of discount that is reduced from the selling price, which is sometimes called amount of discount, which is AD. So it is just AD. We are just looking at it as an AD. Absolute term, something is an AD. All right. So an AD, we're just referring it as just that is amount of that discount, of which that is being reduced from the selling price. We'll look at that. And again, we are going to look at another term which is called the relative term. The relative term sometimes is known as the discount rate. The relative term is sometimes known as the discount rate. Discount, a rate, it is something with sort of like per 100. That is a discount rate. That's why I call 5%. That is a rate. 5 is a 5 over 100. That is a rate. 5%. Therefore, discounted rate is known as DR. So look at DR and AD. From our example, I think I'll tell you from the example that we are going to see. Another word that I want you to look at is we are looking at another word which is called stated price. Stated price. Stated price sometimes is known as the selling price. So the price of an item without having any discount, which you present for the sale to the purchaser. Now these people here, they're talking about stated price. But the stated price is sometimes known as the selling what? Price. The stated price is the selling price. So according to them, it is SP. They're talking about SP as stated price. So stated price, you look at it as the price of an item without having any discount. Oh, it's the cost price, right? Without any discount, it's the cost what? Cost. It's the stated price is the cost price. Because that one it has without any discount, which present for the sale to the purchaser. So that is the SP. Stated price is the cost price, right? You remember in primary school, we are saying to find the profit is profit over cost price times 100. You remember about those ones? Or you have forgotten? I still remember that when I was in standard 4, my teacher used to, we had these problems of cost price and selling price. Yes, we had these problems of cost price, selling price, and profit. They say profit is equal to selling price minus cost what? Price. We said loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and we have profit percent is equal to profit over cost price times 100%, and loss percent, we are saying it is loss over cost price times 100. I think you still remember these ones, right? Now I am looking at this. Things do change. The education that you have gone in and our education that we went can be different because of time, right? The period. So that's why I'm saying that I still remember that we used to learn this in primary. That's these ones. That's why I'm still in secondary. We did not even we didn't even do these ones. All right. Now, so what I'm saying is, I'm actually saying that the stated price is the same as the stated price is the same as the what? The cost price. Stated price is the same as the cost. That's why here they are saying profit over stated price times 100. Loss over stated price times what? 100. Therefore, I'm actually saying stated price is the same as the cost what? Cost price. Cost price is the actual price without discount. The first one, I'm selling this car at this amount. That is the cost what? Price. But I'll give you discount this. Now it is now changing, because once you are given that discount and then you subtract it to the cost price, what you are giving them is the selling price, or the amount that they are selling. Now you can get that one. That's the selling price. Right now, again, they have talked about discounted price. Discounted price, which is the DP. This is the price at which the buyer buy an item at the discounted price, which is less than the original price. The original price is 100%. That's the original price. 100% is the original price. And the original price is the cost price. And the cost price is always 100%. That we have to take note of that. That is the cost price is 100% always. But now this one is the discounted price. Is the price that you have been discounted. They have given you the discount. That's what it's called, the discounted price. So the formula they have given you about the discount there, they are saying amount of discount, AD, over stated price, SP, which is the cost price, times 100. In other words, amount of discount over cost price times 100%. And then to find discount price, you take the selling, you take the cost price minus the amount discounted. What you are getting there, it is the discounted price, or the cost price in bracket 1 minus the discounted rate. That what you are getting there, it is the discount price. Let's just look at this one by examples. I think examples we will talk much from. Before we go to examples, do you have any problem? Let's go to example. Maybe you'll be able to understand from the examples. This can be very difficult for you to understand, but the examples are the ones that you are going to maybe be able to understand. Let's go to these examples. Let's go to examples. Example 1. Let's go to that example of a TV. Example 1. The price of a TV set is 20,000 kwacha. I don't know, nowadays can you buy a TV at 20,000? The price of a TV is 20,000 and the TV they're talking about is a plasma. All right, now the price is 20,000 kwacha. Assuming that the price is 20,000, that's our assumption. The price, take these things, I cannot write it. The price of the TV is 20,000 kwacha. Assuming that this is the price, they are saying the price of a TV set is 20,000 and is available for sale at a discount of 800 kwacha. Find the discount rate and the purchaser price. So a discount is what? 800 kwacha. They are saying, no, I'm selling this TV. It's now an Indian. I'm selling this TV at 20,000 kwacha, but I can give you discount. I can reduce, I can subtract discount 800 kwacha from there. Then the question is, find the amount that this guy paid. What is the amount that the guy paid? You subtract it? Yes. Right? So you subtract. So you are saying, so there what you do is you just say 20,000 minus 800. And what you are getting there is what? 19,200. This is the amount you pay. That's why this is what is called the selling price. I'm looking at this is the selling price. And this was the cost price here. And this is the discount. So this is the discount here. This is the discount here. Then they are saying, the question is, can we find the discount rate? So the discount rate. So the discount rate here it is discount rate. Discount rate. You know rate is out of 100. So discount is 800. So in other words, the discount rate is equal to discount over selling price or cost price? Cost price. Cost price times what? 100%. The cost price, it is the actual one. Right? Well, this one is the selling what? Price. So if you want to find the discount, you take the 800 over the cost price. For them, they are not talking about that to be a cost price. They are talking about it as a what? Stated what? SP is stated price and not selling price. Right? Because if you vice versa say selling price, then it will not tell us the truth. But the truth is the discount price or the actual discount, the AD, they're talking about AD as what? AD, let's talk about AD. Yes, you're right. AD is the amount of discount, right? Amount of discount over SP is stated price, right? And stated price is the same as what? Cost price times 100. Therefore, if you look at this one, the discount is 800, right? Yeah. 800 over 20,000, times what? 100%. All right. So what you do is, see, you do that, you divide like this, right? This one, you do like this, right? And 8 divided by this one, so it is 4 what? 4%. So what does that mean? What it means that is 800 amount we were discounted is equivalent to 4 what? Percent. But the 100% it is this one. 20,000. 20,000 is the 100%. The 4% is the amount discounted. But the actual percentage that you had to pay out of this, you just take 100 minus 4, which gives you 90 what? 96. So the 96% is this 96% is this amount. Right? Because you are saying 100% minus 4%, and this gives you 90 what? And this 96% is equivalent to this one. 19,200, right? And the 4% is equivalent to this one. When you add this plus this one, it gives you 100 what? 100%. Is there someone who is lost? Someone who is lost? As I actually said, the issue, the aim is not to show that that we know maths, but the issue is we have to apply this knowledge to our day-to-day living. All right, let's look at another example. Let's go to example number 2. Go to example number 2. A person buys a book rack. Right? Yes. Yeah. But if I am fast in my explanation, please, can you slow me down? That, sir, I think we are not understanding what you are saying. It seems you are just speaking Greek there. If you feel I am not explaining well, can you slow me down? Right? You have to press your brake and then press the brake down, and you find me that I will slow. So let's look at an example number 2. Example number 2. Example number 2. And this example, I'll just write down the example, but the way I will sort it. They're saying a person, assuming this one is a Trinity. Trinity buys a book rack of 18,000 kwacha. All right? So he buys a book rack of 18,000 kwacha. You know what a book rack? Yeah. Let's look at, let's say a bookshelf. Let's put it to be a bookshelf, no problem. All right. A person buys a book rack. A book rack is like a bookshelf, right? At 18,000 kwacha. But this one, I think, was on a discount of 12%. What was the original price of the book rack? If this person is buying, is giving out 18,000 kwacha, but he was given a discount of what? 12%. They are saying, what was the original? And the original price, we are talking about that one at the cost, cost price. So the original price is the cost price, because what happened was this guy was given the discount, but the amount of money that he paid was what? 18,000, and the discount was 12%. So they are saying, what was the actual price? Right? So to find the actual, there are 2 ways of doing it. Right? You can either find the 12%, right? 12% of that amount, and you add it to there, right? Yeah? What you can do is you can just take 12% of 18,000 kwacha, right? And that's how you are getting. You can add it to 18,000. Is that?
Yes.
You can get that one. That will be the original one, right? Or another one, you can use the percentage, because when this one is given 12%, it means from 100%, because original is 100%, right? So from 100%, 100% minus 12%, 88%, right? So this one, the 18,000 is equal to 88%, right? 88% is equal to 18,000. What about 100 what? Percent. So you can find the answer to be the what? The same. Right? All right. Maybe others they don't have these four. Let me just write down the question here and then we can explain it, right? To avoid, maybe we've got others. I can see that some of our friends they don't have that, right? All right. A person buys a book rack at 18,000 kwacha at a discount of 12%. Then they are saying find the what? Find the actual price. Find the actual price. Right, let's look at the actual price here of the book rack. In other words, find the original. They are talking about find the original price, not the actual. They are talking about the original one. The original actually is the same, right? Find the original price. So, find the original price. So, original price, solution or working. You will use the so solution or working. Original price, which is the cost price, right? Cost price is equal to 100%, right? That's cost price, right? And the discounted rate, DR, is equal to 12 what? Percent. Therefore, right? Therefore, the remaining rate is equal to 100% minus the discount rate. Not discount rate. The remaining rate or discount price rate. Go, very good. Discount price rate. So the discount price rate is equal to 100% minus 12%, which is 88%. Then what we are saying is, if I will start here like this. If, right? If 88% is equal to what? 18,000 right? Therefore, 100% is this going to be less or more? More. Then if it is more, 100 bigger number over 88 multiplied by 18,000, like this, right? Is that?
Yes.
Yeah. So do the mathematics there. So this gives you what? 20,455. All right. Let's just put it like this. It's fine. It can be 20,455 kwacha. That's the amount that one paid. All right. Now, this is the discount. This is the discount. Let's look at another element. Do you have questions? Those maybe you have got questions. Others they have. You know, there's a question, so we don't understand. As if maybe you are teaching us something in heaven. Any question here? As a good parent, as a parent, do you have questions, my daughter and sons? Huh? You don't have questions, right? Yeah, your long time we used to, parents, not this nowadays. Nowadays, parents are just having only one child, two children, and they say, it's enough. Long time, our parents used to have 15, 20, a class of this one from one parent. All of you going to one father. All of you. These are my sons and my daughters. That time, when men were men and not now. Yes. All right. Let's go to another element here. And this is what is called successive discount. Assuming you are all from one family, I don't know how many bags of maize could one buy to feed you all. 5 bags a day. 5 bags a day. All right. No, I think that. I believe that. I think. All right. Let's look at another item. No, I think that will happen after when we die. The next life, I think, is when people will be having kids, more children like this one. But now let's go to this example of ours. The next one is about what is called serious. No, we will enjoy it. All right, let's have successful discount. Successful discount. The aim behind this, I want you just to know exactly what do we mean when we say successive discount. All right, successive discount is as good as you buy an item. All right, you buy an item and it gives you a discount. I've given you 5% discount. Then the same person, whether the same Indian, is saying, no, I think I gave you 5% discount, but again I'm giving you another 2% discount on the price that you are supposed to pay after I discounted you. Then you say, I'm not going to buy. No, I think I will give you another 2% discount on the price that you are supposed to pay for the second time. I'll give you 2% discount. That becomes what is called a successful discount. You are given the price, and this Indian gives you a discount, right? So assuming that has given you 5% discount, and then he says, then he comes says again, no, I think I'll give you another discount on top of what you are supposed to pay. I'll give you another discount. Then you say, no, I'm not buying. Say, I'll give you another discount. The other times, sometimes we shouldn't try just to ask for. Sometimes we will be embarrassed when we go to these towns while we don't have money, and you pretend as if you have money. And then you say, how much are you doing this? Because sometimes these people, they know that this guy has come away but has nothing. What do they say? Just, okay, this thing is 50,000 kwacha. Oh, how much do you have? We are giving you 5% discount. Then all right, about 10%. Then they'll ask you, how much money do you have? And you just being embarrassed, you just walk out because you have nothing. Yeah. All right. So let's not try to ask for the prices while we don't have money in our pocket. We'll be embarrassed. All right. Let's go to this one. They are saying successful discount. In any business deal, if a person is ready to give more than one discount, such discount is called successive discount. If someone is given a discount more than one, discount rate 1, discount rate 2, discount rate 3, then the end result ama nkutukwana, right? That's what I know. It's giving you discount 1, 2, 3, then you'll be embarrassed. You'll be very embarrassed. And they can embarrass you while you are with your spouse. That's the issue behind. All right. All right. So we've got discount DR1, DR2, up to how many discount DRN? Then successful discount can be formulated as the final discount price, FDP. So final discount price is after they have given you the discount, at the end, that becomes a final discount what? Right. Example is this one. Let's go to an example. An example. 25 packets of papers are purchased by a photocopier. 25 packets of papers are purchased by a photocopier. The market price of each packet is 300, and he got a discount of 80% and an additional discount of 5% on the cash payment. Find the value of the deal. Find the value of the deal. Let me just write the question, but the way that the question only. They are saying 25 packets of papers. 25 packets of papers. They are purchased by photocopier. How many? Okay, market price of each packet. All right, market price of each what? All right, for each packet is what? 300. All right, rupees or whatsoever. And he got a discount of what? And he got a discount of 18%. Right? And an additional discount. Additional discount of 5%. On his cash payment. On his cash payment. All right. Find the value of the deal. Find the value of the what? Deal. All right. Let's look at this. 25 packets of papers are purchased by a photocopier. The market price for each packet is 300. So because there were 25 packets, the market price is 300, right? So you take 25 times 300, eh?
Yes.
So whatever 25 times 300, 7,000 what? 500. Because you want to find the price. So you say 25 times, in other words, that's the actual price, right? 25 times what? 300, which is what? 7,500. Watch, assuming that this is like this. Good. First discount is 18%, right? Right? Second discount, 5%, right? So 5% is 0.05, right? 18% is 0.18. True? Good. The final discount price is what you want to find, right? If you go to their formula, you go to their formula, they are saying final discount price is equal to selling price bracket 1 minus DR1. Bracket, then 1 minus DR what? To up to DRN. How many DRs are there, right? So it's just 7,500 bracket 1 minus DR1 0.18 bracket 1 minus DR2. And when you do that, you multiply that one, what you are getting there, it is the final discount what? And the final discount price is equal to 5843. The final one is that one. That's the final discount price is that. Good? All right. Let's do another method to find the final. Maybe what they are saying it can be difficult. Let's look at the how do we what can you try to come up with the same answer but you are following another method? Can you try? Try where you are. Can you try in your exercise books? Find the same answer. They are talking about that the answer is what? What are they talking about the answer? What's the answer? 5,000 what? 843. Can you find 5,843 using another method apart from the formula they are using there? What you have to do is can you find 18% of this one and try 5% of that answer. Find out whether you will reach here. Can you try 18% of the first discount from this one? 18% of this one, you subtract that, right? Right? And then 5% of that answer you are going to get. Find out whether you are getting this. Just a rough one. Find. Can you try to work out that? I think what I will do is when you meet, I think I'll just beam this there. Maybe some of you want to write. You can write properly. I'll beam again this what I'm. Can you work out if the answer is going to be the same?
Yeah.
Is it fine?
Yes.
Yes. Can you come and tell us how you have done it? Come. Yeah, just come and just check this. Yes. Yeah, take a calculator, no problem. That's why calculators we use. We want you to use the calculators. Yeah, you can do that. As he is writing, I will need my assignment. I will need my assignment when posted on the, it's there on the portal.
24 August.
Yeah, 24 August, right? Okay, all right, no problem. I know if it is 24, it's fine. But the days are going up and up. You may think it's 24 is wrong. Yes.
Okay. The sale price is 7,500. So
let me just give you this and then you ask dear teacher, right?
Hey, what do I know?
Yes.
Yes. 1, 2. All right. This is the stated price, which is 7,500. So we want to find the discounted price, but the discount were two. The first one was 18%. So first we're gonna find the first one, which is of okay. Tiamba kupesa no ya 80%. So the formula is discounted price is stated price open bracket 1 minus discounted rate. 1 here, it's 1. Okay, this is DR1. DR1, yes, he is correct. DR1. So here the stated price is 7,500 kwacha. Here it's 1 minus 80%, it's 0.18 because it's 18 divided by 100, which is 0.18. So here is 7,500 open bracket 1 minus 0.18, it's 0.82. So you did the calculations. 7,500 times 0.82, 6,150 kwacha. So this 6,150 kwacha was the first discounted price. So now this discounted price, now it will change. It will be the stated price. Tikapita ku DR2, it will be the stated price. So here stated price will be 6,150. DR2 it's 5%. So the discounted price, it will be stated price open bracket 1 minus DR2. So now stated price is 6,150 open bracket 1 minus 5%, it's 0.05, which is equal to 6,150 bracket 0.95. I agree. 6150 5,842.1. Ndi close to the what? To the whole number, which is 5,843 kwacha.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Oh, kwacha. Oh.
All right. Now if you want, I will give you. Don't worry. Don't worry. You are taking photos. I will give you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will write that again. I will give you the summaries. I'll beam it somewhere there, and then you'll take that. All right. All right. That's the issue about this. In other words, the successful discount they are discounting you for the first time, and then the second price you are being discounted, the third price you are being discounted, until it's not the same as saying it will be quite different. If you take 18% plus 5%, 23%, and you find 23% of that one, you are going to find different answer. Because you may think this discount 18% plus 5%, 23%, and you take 23% of this number, you are not going to get this one. It's going to be another different answer, right? Right? Yeah, the logic is different. But successful discount, I'm given a discount, then the second price I'm being discounted for the second again, then I'm up to until that becomes what is called a successful discount. It's not that you add all the discount and then you take it from there. It's quite different. That is the issue on the discounted price. Let's look at quantity discount. Let's go to quantity discount. Quantity discount. Quantity discount. Successful discount, and I've got quantity discount. Types of discounts. Successive discount, and I've got what is called quantity discount. Oh, they are discount. When you look at quantity discount, is another way of offering discount. Quantity, because you have bought more, then I'll give you discount. Quantity, because you have purchased less, you'll be given very little discount. So that is what is called quantity discount. So the company or brand gives such an offer in which on a specific amount more quantity can be purchased than the actual quantity. For example, examples offers like you buy one and get one free. That is what is called quantity. You buy one pizza and get another pizza what? For free. That is what is called quantity discount. When you buy one item, they will give you another one. In the Bible, if you go to the Bible, there is this, an example of quantity discount. Very good example, very good if you go to church. If you pray, and I'm urging you, please be going to church. When you go to church, there is, in the church they read this one chapter. There was one verse, a chapter, that explains about quantity discount. But now the quantity discount they explained, or they talked about, is about Rachel and Leah. You read about that, right? Yeah, because was that Jacob married, was given one, and that wasn't his choice, right? That wasn't his choice. He was given another one free. That is what it's called quantity what? You are given another one free. No, okay. They are the two books. Okay, now, for example, let's look at types of this discount. Sometimes it's called quantity discount. How do we what's the formula to find this discount? So the formula is discounted quantity minus actual quantity over discount quantity minus actual quantity over discounted quantity times 100%. In other words, discount rate is equal to DQ minus AQ over DQ times 100. Discount quantity and discounted quantity, I don't think that they are the same. but we'll come up with their own formula here. Let's go to the example and we'll come up with our own formula. A company offers buy 3 pence and get 4. If you buy 3 pence and you get 4, convert this offer of quantity discount into equivalent discount rate. How do you do that? They are saying an example. Let me just write the example here. An example of quantity discount.